Hello guys, my name is Sophie Fox and welcome to my channel. This is another video and today I want to show you some exercises which can improve your flexibility. We're gonna use yoga block and some rubber band. So let's go on the yoga mat. My first recommendation that you should do some sports before stretching and it will help to warm your muscle. I put my yoga block like this and step with 1 foot. Now I'll try to reach the floor with my hands, just like this. So what the reason in the using this yoga block that we stretch so good the back side of our leg. And also we'll repeat the same but with other leg. I can show you how it looks from the side. So my legs and my knees are straight. Ooh, I feel so good stretching. Okay, the next exercise we should to sit on the floor. And again use our yoga block. I put my leg like this. And again I'll try to reach forward. In this exercise, I feel so good stretching under my knee. My second recommendation that all of your exercises should be smooth. This way you won't hurt your muscles and ligaments. Let's do next exercise. We put our yoga block under our back and just laying like this. You also need to use our rubber band. We put it on our feet. And like this, we're trying to reach the floor. Okay, the next exercise, I take our yoga block and put it under my knee. I make 1 step forward and trying to do moves like this. So I'm just trying to reach the floor with my hips and stretch so good here and the back leg. Also from this position we can hold our back feet and trying to reach to our butts. Okay, so as you can see, if you will repeat these exercises, you will be able to do splits. Yeah, and the most important thing that your back in the all exercises should be straight. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video about stretching. That was Sophie, see you soon and don't forget to check my channel and my OnlyFans page. Bye!